Hello, Skin Games. So we have officially finished our age management. So I'm here today with my lovely model, Anne. Through our entire case study, we have been focusing on decreasing pigmentation, stimulating collagen, working on barrier repair. So we really have done a multifaceted approach. So we started out as far as focusing on the pigmentation, the modalities of jet plasma, the XO-LLT serum, LED, and PRP microneedling all helped to support our prevention and brightening of pigmentation. When dealing with the collagen stimulation, jet plasma treatments, LED, and PRP microneedling again came back and helped us with that, but by incorporating the Glow Row PDRN, that then gave us the hydrolyzed collagen to really kind of amp it up. The comprehensive approach in this case study really focused on total overall. Working at a depth of almost 5 millimeters with the near infrared, we were able to really affect the cell turnover and that cell cycle, stimulating more of the ATP. So everything's now operating at a more efficient level. With our home care, we focused on peptides, antioxidants, skin brighteners, hydration enhancers, DNA repair, and anti-inflammatories. The supplements, on the other hand, helping everything from that internal perspective, helped with hydration, stress support to help reduce cortisol levels, vitamin and mineral support for the GI, anti-inflammatories, adaptogenics, and antioxidants. So we've done a complete overall kind of on health. Anne has already received multiple compliments from her hairdresser had commented, and from the neck up, and other neighbors are starting to really notice the changes in her. So I think that kind of helps with that validation piece.
Absolutely.
That it's not just things that we are seeing, where other people are actually seeing them as well. Would you do this again?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
That was a fast answer.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Well, we look forward to seeing you in Dallas. Bye, Skin Game.